Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel as we continue our journey in Vietnam. Today we are going to check out the amazing Sontra Night Market in Da Nang. Sontra Night Market has about 150 stalls selling clothing, local crafts and souvenirs, but it's famous for the great food, especially seafood, at very affordable prices. The market is located very close to the famous Dragon Bridge. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future travel videos. So without delay, let's have a quick tour of this amazing night market. Let's go!
Okay. There?
Yeah.